Ito na guys, tinatransfer na natin sa ating sangkalan. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Guys, may chismis ako sa inyo. Gumawa ako ng Royal Bibingka Keto recipe. And, oh my god! It was like a real Royal Bibingka. So now guys, I will show you on how to make the Royal Bibingka Keto or low carb recipe. Please watch this video. But before anything else, I want you to subscribe to my channel. And please support my channel every time I have a new upload. So guys, let's continue with our recipe for today. We will start with the dry ingredients. 1.5 cup of almond flour. I will add 1/2 cup of coconut flour, 1/2 cup of psyllium husk. I'm gonna add 1 cup of monk fruit, 2 sachets of stevia, a teaspoon of salt. Then do not forget to add baking powder for 3 teaspoons. Then we'll set aside the dry ingredients. Now we'll be working on wet ingredients. For liquid ingredients, we need almond milk, 1 1/2 cup. We'll add 1/2 cup of butter. Then now add the full egg. We'll mix the liquid and the dry ingredients. Guys, I will add coconut milk for about 1/2 cup. And then additional 1/4 cup of the coconut milk. Guys, take note for the ingredients. We have coconut flour, so you need to adjust the liquid. As I said, you need to adjust the liquid. If we need to add more, don't worry, you have to. Ito yung hinahanda kong molder for our Royal Bibingka. We use banana leaves. Ilalagyan ko lang siya ng oil para magdikit-dikit siya. Ilalagay na natin sa preheated oven. Ayan na guys. So we will be baking it in 30 minutes. Ihahanda po natin yung ating cheese para sa ating toppings. So aside from the sliced cheese, we need to have the grated cheese. Let's have a hard-boiled egg for our bibingka. Ito yung ginagamit ko guys kasi wala akong salted egg. Guys, after 15 minutes, ito na yung ating royal bibingka. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin. Kailangan nakatagilid, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ito muna for now. Ngayon, ibabalik natin ito sa ating oven. Ayan. Natin siya sa ating oven. Ayan. Mamaya, lalagay na natin yung grated cheese. So, next 15 minutes. See you guys! Ayan guys, it's almost done. Ngayon, budburan na natin ng cheese. Guys, ito na yung ating royal bibingka. It's done. Palamigin lang natin guys para matry natin kung anong result nito. Ito na guys, tinatransfer na natin sa ating kalan. Mag-slice tayo ng isang piraso with cheese and with egg. Tikiman time! Ayan guys! Titikman na natin ang ating royal bibingka. May portion tayong titikman. Yung may cheese. Sliced cheese. Masarap guys. Masarap siya. Ayan. Tatapusin natin yung slice with the cheese. Yung lasa niya, hindi siya eggy. Napansin nyo kanina, isang itlog lang ang nilagay ko. What makes it had a good result because of the psyllium husk. Ngayon naman, yung portion na may itlog. Ayan, titikman natin. This is totally keto royal bibingka. This portion has egg, sliced egg. Sarap. Hindi ako nakabili ng salted egg. That is why I'm using the fresh egg, and then have it hard-boiled egg. Masarap siya, guys. And remember, this is low carb. Ayan. Royal Bibingka has glutinous rice in it. So, for replacement, I use the Psyllium husk, which is 1/2 cup. Yung tamis niya, tama lang. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Guys, so far, our recipe is successful for today. Kahit may mga binago tayo kasi gumamit ako ng coconut flour. So, kailangan ko talagang magdagdag ng some liquid. So, I add coconut milk. So, yun lang, guys. So, itry nyo to, guys, gawin. Swear, this is really, it's much like a real Royal Bibingka. If you want to try it, just go to the description box for the recipe, and then yeah, you have to see to it that if you use the coconut flour, it must be expected that it is dry, so you have to add more liquid. It's either you add almond milk or coconut milk. So yun lang, guys, and thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you again on my next vlog. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.